Hello viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. We Indian enterprises are a very well known source of fume extraction system and other related equipments. In this current video, we are introducing an economical yet effective uh, fume extractor system which is usable for a single operator. See, this economical yet efficient fume extraction system SFE-1L is very much superior than the normal exhaust fan type fume extraction system, because in this system there are three filtering stages, whereas in the normal exhaust fan type fume extractors only single stage filtration is there, which is not very much effective. So this fume extraction system is very much superior and far better than the normal exhaust fan type fume extraction system, which inhales the fumes from one side and exhales to the other side without filtering these harmful gases. So this fume extraction system will arrive at your doorstep in the package which you are watching on your screen. Model is SFE-1L. It's a portable solder fume extractor system which can be used for a single operator. It's very effective model. So let's start. Let's open this box and see what contents are supplied along with this package. So as we are opening this package, first of all we will see an operating manual. This operating manual contains useful information regarding the operation and maintenance of this fume extraction system. Second is the fume hood. This is the fume hood. You can see it's small. It looks small, but it's very much effective. Then we can see the adapter. So this is a AC to DC adapter. So it's a AC to DC adapter. It can be connected to the external power source. Next thing is the suction arm. This is extraction arm. As you can watch on screen, it can be expanded, as you can watch. So the length of this extraction arm can be adjusted by expanding or contracting this extraction arm, and you can fold it to the desired position as well. You will also get few extra pre-filters along with this extraction system. So there are three pre-filters which will be supplied along with this fume extractor system. Next, we will take out the main extraction unit. As we can see, it's very good looking and effective fume extraction system. It's lightweight, portable, and can be placed easily on your table. So let's see an overview of this fume extraction system. On the front side, you can see there is a LED display, a bright LED display, which will display the suction speed of this fume extraction system. And on its right, you can see a knob. By rotating this knob, we can increase or decrease the suction speed of this fume extractor. On the rear side, so there is a jack provided for inserting the AC to DC adapter. So moving further, we will join the various parts of this fume extractor system and make this extractor unit functional. So first of all, we will fix the suction hood with the extraction arm. So in this way, we need to push the extraction arm into the hood, and then we can see that the suction hood is connected to the extraction arm. And so there is a slot provided on the extraction arm and the main unit as well. We have to match these slots and just insert the extraction arm in the main unit and then twist it in the clockwise direction. As we can see, the various parts have been joined to the main extractor unit, and now this system is ready to use. So we will also explain the maneuverability of this extraction arm. So this extraction arm is very much flexible, and it can be expanded or contracted according to the need, and it can be focused on the area where we want to use it. So in the next step, we will connect this extraction unit to the external power source by connecting the this AC to DC adapter. First of all, we will insert the AC to DC adapter in the AC source, and then on the rear side, this AC DC adapter pin will be inserted like you are watching on your screen. Now this system is connected to the external power source. So there is a knob provided on the front panel. By pressing this knob gently, we can switch on this unit, and by rotating this knob in the clockwise direction, we can increase the suction speed. The suction speed varies from 1 to 100. 100 is maximum. Rotating this knob anti-clockwise, we can decrease the suction speed, and the minimum suction speed is 10. So suction speed varies between 10 to 100, and according to your choice, you can adjust the suction speed. And if you want to switch off this unit, then press this knob gently once again. Now the unit is switched off. Smooth running of this fume extraction system is a very important part. So let's see how we can maintain this fume extraction system and how it can be used for maximum optimization. So let's open this fume extraction system. First we need to take out this extraction arm by twisting it, and then take out the extraction arm from the main unit. And there are two clamps provided on both the sides. We need to unclamp it and then open the top cover. See, there are three type of filters which are used in this extraction system. This is pre-filter. So as we already told you, three spare filters are provided along with this extraction system. Second one is the HEPA filter. This is the HEPA filter, as you can watch on your screen. And third one is the carbon activated filter. So three-stage filtration process is followed in this extraction system, and you have to regularly monitor the health of these filters to maintain the suction efficiency. So if you notice any blockage in these filters, you need to replace these filters as per the requirement. So there is a turbine placed in this extraction system which generates the suction power. Due to these three filters, the primary filter, HEPA filter, and carbon activated filter, the filtration efficiency is much better as compared to the normal exhaust fan type fume extractor systems, because they only have a single filtration stage which is a carbon activated filter. But in this fume extraction system, there are three filtration stages: pre-filter, HEPA filter, and carbon activated filter, and which increases the filtration efficiency. Let's place these filters back into the main unit one by one. First of all, we need to place this carbon activated filter, then the HEPA filter, and then the pre-filter, and then fix the top cover which we have removed earlier, and fix clamp on both sides. So in this way we can maintain the filtration efficiency of this extraction system. We need to regularly monitor the health of all these filters. So in this video we have explained the unboxing, working, and maintenance part of this fume extraction system. This fume extraction system is very much capable of filtering harmful substances and harmful gases which are originated during the soldering process. So we keep stock of this fume extraction system in huge quantity, and you can buy this fume extraction system from us, and we also keep spares to run this fume extraction system. Hope you have liked this video, because we have explained each and every part of this fume extraction system. And thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.